In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually grow a $100 account, okay? I've insisted that you look for good capital a lot of times, and now you have found $100. How do you grow it? Or what strategy do you use to grow it in a manner that you'll not be able to blow that account, okay? Now, guys, here are the things that you are supposed to do, and please listen carefully. I'm not wasting any time. I'm going directly into it. And as I start, please ensure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Now, first things first, stake between 1 to 2% of your account. I repeat, stake between 1 to 2% of your account. What do I mean by this? If you have $100, example, you stake between $1 to $2. Okay, you might say, this is too little. How can I even be able to grow this? But I'm telling you, once you start with such an amount, if you stake between 1 to 2%, blowing your account, in fact, will be a struggle. Okay, unless you're dedicated to blowing your account, it will be almost impossible. All right, because the mistake most people do whenever they have $100 accounts is they go and they start staking $10, $20, $30. But when you use such amounts, it only takes a few runs for your account to be wiped out. Okay, but if you you stake between $1 to $2, even if you blow that amount 10 times in a row, you'll be able to recover it and you'll be able to grow that account. Okay, yeah, and guys, whenever it comes to growing your account, you have to do it consistently. I know TikTok and most sites have made it seem like in Deriv you have to make all this amount of profit in one day. Okay, no, it doesn't have to be like that. You can make $20 today, $20 tomorrow, and I'm telling you, in a month you'll have made $600. In a year, that is $7,200. And remember, the more you make profit, the more you tend to earn in terms of profit. Because let's say today you make 20, tomorrow you use the same strategy and make almost 60. The other day 100. So you find that you will make a lot of profit over time. Okay, so that is the first thing. Ensure you use between 1 to 2% of your stake, of your capital. Okay, and again, every day aim for a maximum of a 20% profit of your account. What do I mean? If you have $100, aim for $20 the first day. Okay, aim for 20% of your account, literally. Okay, yeah. Once you see the profit you have attained is 20% of your account, close it for that day, come back the next to avoid over trading. Okay, this thing of trying to grow $100 account to 1,000, it will make you blow several, and I mean several accounts, speaking from experience. Okay, yeah, aim for 20%. If you have, let's say, $400, okay, once you see you have made 20% of that, that is about 80, close it for that day, come back the next. Okay, remember you are aiming for consistency. So the first things first, ensure you use 1 to 2% of your stake. The second thing, ensure you aim for 20% of your account profit. Okay, 20%, no matter how big or how small your account is, aim for 20% and close it for that day. Every day aim for 20% profit of your account. Okay, this thing of aiming for 1,000%, yes, you can be able to achieve it, but you'll blow so many accounts because of that. Because in the process of trying to achieve that, you'll end up making losses. In the process of trying to recover those losses, you'll end up making even more losses, and that will put you in a very awkward position. Okay, yeah, so currently I want to show you how you can be able to grow such an account easily. I'll be using even order, not to do any complex analysis. Okay, yeah, so let me come and find a good trade type in DB traders. So I'll come to DB traders, okay, very quickly. And guys, whenever it comes to analysis tools, never depend on them. Okay, use them for confirmation. This is something I'll repeat. I'm only using it for this video because I want just to illustrate. Okay, as you can see, I'm using a demo account to illustrate for this video. For those who are wondering, yeah, so that you can be able to see how you can actually grow such an account. Okay, yeah, DB Traders is a very good tool, so you can just go and check it out. But only use it for analysis. Okay, I'll repeat this severally. Only use it for analysis. All right, yeah. Whenever it comes to analysis tools, be very careful with how you use them. Trading on third-party websites, please don't do that. Only trade on Deriv.com. Deriv.com is your friend, okay? Yeah, as you can see, I've cleared out my balance currently, and that is why I'm using my demo. But live trades are coming soon, so please, guys, stay tuned, okay? Yeah, and this channel is about realism and actuality, okay? Yeah, so let us come here and look. We are trying to look for a good market, and then we execute quickly. Okay, yeah, so currently I'm trying to find a good even odd market. I want us to do even odd for this video. Okay, yeah, let me come to 25 fairness and see how it is performing. Even, odd, it seems to be even, but again, do not rely on these analysis tools. Okay, use them. I'm only using it for this video because I don't want this video to be so long because of a lot of analysis, but I want to show you. Now, if I come here and then I put it to even, okay, let me take a good bot. We'll be using the CandleMine version 3 Pro bot. If you want this bot, ensure you subscribe, like this video, and make sure you leave a comment and you'll get your bot. Okay, it's that simple. You have to ensure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and then take a screenshot, send it to my WhatsApp number, and you'll get your free bot immediately. Okay, yeah, so you'll get this CandleMine version 3. This is the newest version of CandleMine, and there is more to come, so you don't want to miss this out. Okay, so I'll come to volatility 25 on S, I'll come to even odd, then I'll come and select even. Let me scroll a bit. I'll set my stop loss to 20. Okay, again, once you lose 20% of your account, don't proceed trading, just close it for the day. Okay, my profit, I'll put it at okay, we are aiming for a $20 profit. Okay, once we get $20, we are out. Initial amount 2, win amount 2, martingale of 2. Boom. And once you do that, I think so you are ready. Again, I've done minimum analysis. Okay, yeah, so let us see if we'll be able to grow it. Okay, we are being realistic with how the market usually is, because most times the market is usually very tricky to understand. Okay, so let us see if we'll be able to make something. Okay, yeah, so, and guys, never do more than 20 runs when you're using a bot. Okay, never do more than 20 runs. Only do 20 runs and then you stop the bot and then refresh it and then you proceed. Okay, yeah, you have to be very clever whenever you are trying to grow a small account. Otherwise, you'll end up blowing so many accounts in the process. Okay, yeah, so currently the profit is at $12. Again, you're aiming for 20% of our account, which is $20, and you are out. Okay, yeah, so only one more run and then you stop the bot and leave. Boom, and that is it. And you close it for the day. You make $20 and go on with your other activities. You can go on practicing new strategies, looking at more strategies, and you leave. As you can see, we have made 3 losses, but it has not even made any damage to our account. That is the benefit of growing your account with proper risk management. Aim for a $20% profit, and once you lose 20% of your account, stop your bot. Again, aim for 1 to 2% in terms of the stake that you'll be using, and I'm assuring you, you'll be able to make profits every single day. Okay, imagine I've made $20 is about 2,600. Simply, I've not even struggled. Okay, yeah, so guys, ensure you look for good capital. That is why I'm telling you, once you have good capital, trading actually will be fun. In fact, it will be so much fun. I don't know even how I can explain it. Okay, yeah, so ensure you have good capital, and growing your account will be stress-free in all areas. But if I have, let's say, $5, the losses will have blown away my account to obliteration. Okay, yeah, so aim for 1 to 2%, 20%, aim for 1 to 2% in terms of stake, aim for a 20% profit, and once you attain a 20% loss in terms of your account, stop your bot. Okay, use this strategy, guys, and you will see you'll be able to grow that $100 account to thousands of dollars easily. Okay, and not with, okay, so currently, you might be asking, now if I get $20, do I withdraw that profit? I can advise you, once you are in the beginning stages, don't. Okay, as you can see today, you have grown it to 120. So tomorrow we will use 20% stake of this. Okay, let me look at 20% of we will use our 1 to 2% stake of $120. So let me calculate. 2% of $120 is 2.4. Okay, so you'll be able to make some more profits tomorrow, and that will continue over time. So you'll find that you're earning more profit as time goes. Okay, yeah, and once time goes, you can be able to withdraw small amount, but the aim is to grow this account to big levels. Okay, see this as an investment. Okay, please don't yearn to start eating profits too early. See it as an investment. Grow it. Okay, because once you are able to grow it with this strategy, you will grow it to very, very, very big amounts. Okay, yeah, but don't make $120 and then you withdraw the entire 20, and then you start tomorrow, you make 20, and then you withdraw. You'll not be able to achieve any good profits over time. Okay, remember, we are here for the long game. We want to get good profits. You want it to reach to a certain point whereby you're earning $200 a day comfortably. Okay, who doesn't want that? Okay, yeah, so please, in the beginning stages, don't be tempted. Invest a lot of time into learning good strategies, into learning because guys, if you combine this strategy with risk management with a good strategy, profits will be your friend. Okay, yeah, and that is it, guys. That is the secret to trading. Okay, I know most of you are looking for that secret code to trading that will make you profit. There's no secret. Ensure you have good capital. And ensure you have implied proper risk management, that is using 1 to 2% of your stake, aiming for a 20% profit, and once you get a 20% loss, you stop trading. That is it. You'll be able to grow any account that you have comfortably. Okay, you can use this strategy for any account. Aim for 1 to 2% of use a 1 to 2% stake of your account and aim for a 20% profit. That is it. No matter how big, no matter how small your account is, use this strategy and you will be able to grow your account to extreme levels. Okay. For any question and whatsoever, please ensure leave it in the comment section. And ensure you write a comment. I want a bot. I'll send you a free bot so that it can help you trade. And ensure you like. But then if you don't like and you don't comment, you'll not be able to get a free bot. Just ensure you like, comment, I want a bot. Take a screenshot, WhatsApp me, and I'll give you a free bot. Okay, this bot that I'm using, the CandleMine version 3, as I've said, this one is the newest bot in town, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, as you can see, it is highly performing. Okay, yeah, and guys, the phase 2 of classes are ongoing. If you're interested, ensure you WhatsApp me. You don't want to miss out. Okay, apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Please ensure you leave a like, please ensure you comment once again, and please ensure you share to anyone who you know is interested in trading so that they don't miss out, because this is a very amazing strategy. Okay, apart from that, guys, once again, thank you very much for watching and good luck.